Hi, my name is Happiness Nangolonguba, and in today's video, I am going to talk about my projects, my second project for week 4. Um, that is in the last part. That is, we had project 2A, and now we're having project 2B, which is this week's this week's 4. Okay, so here I was generating a token that will last for an hour for my testing. Okay, and I've also just edited some files, edited some files. So I'm just gonna go and show the swagger. Um, so I've put in place a code for Outh. So this week is the week for Outh. So as you can see, I've made all the tests all done so that I can show you this authorization after. Okay, so the website is live, everything is working fine. And first, I've um I'm logged in. I've executed the get which gets um which gets all my contact, and I've also um executed the post, but in my post I made sure that it returns a false. Why? Because this I did it twice, so you can see that in the error here it says duplicate. I've duplicated, so showing that the error is available, the 500 error, and also next I've executed the get by ID. The get by ID, which I've generated also an error um for the ID, which says um invalid value for the ID. The ID is wrong. Okay, and then whoa. Okay. And okay, so now we are in the we have the post, and this is the delete. Okay, so in my delete, I just deleted the ones that I've duplicated. So it's true, everything is working fine. So now we have get all here. This is for notes. This gets all my notes, and it's returned true since everything is going fine. And here we have, and you can see every thing that needs to be secured here secured. Okay, so I've also made a post, which my post was sent false because I posted also a double, a duplicate, and also yeah, it's returns true because everything is fine, working fine. So it's just a typical test. Also, okay, for here the put. I haven't executed the put, so let me just. Maybe I do have an ID here. So I'm gonna just put this information. I'm gonna use this. I'm not sure if we do have this one. So it's gonna return an error if we don't. So yeah, this is the ID, just testing. Um, okay. So we have true, everything is changed on the ID. And then we have this, delete this, which can't be deleted because I twisted the ID. The ID is wrong. So it says false, invalid value. So nothing can be deleted since nothing is there. So I'm gonna test for the auth for the global one. Okay, so I'm gonna log out and put something like a random string, a wrong barrier, so you can see. Okay, when I try to, you can see this was true, right? So now I've logged out and then I'm trying to log in and execute something. It gives me a 401 error which says invalid token. So the invalid token is for this. This is not authorized. Like this was a wrong ID. Going back, so this was generated just before. I'm gonna add this one. So I've copied this one. I'm gonna paste it here. So let's try and execute it. So everything is true. So here you can see that everything is secure. The auth is working. Going back to our code. So I'm gonna like okay, let me just do this. So you can see that it's in my env. We have the Google and the GitHub. So yeah, I did it both. Managed to do it both, and also I think I'm running out of time though. Everything is fine. Everything that needed to be added, it was added. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay. Yes, yes, yes. So I guess that's it for me for now. Um, thank you and have a lovely day. Bye.